Hi, my name is Tonie van Loon. I'm the chemical engineer here at iteamglobal. When we thought about the chemistry, we had three targets in mind. They have to be ecologically friendly, they have to be effective, and they have to dilute readily into an i-mop tank so the liquids are quickly ready for use. In order to be greener, we reached out to Hygienic here in the Netherlands, who specialize in green chemistry. They provided us with cradle-to-cradle liquids that can biodegrade into the environment with no effect. In order to be effective, the liquids had to be something special, something to match the power of the i-mop itself. In order to accomplish this, we've benchmarked our products against several of our competitors and compared them using IKW's recommended test methods. In this method, an abrasion and washability testing machine is used to clean specially soiled tiles, allowing a direct comparison between dissimilar products. Finally, for use in the i-mop, we needed to ensure that the liquids would dissolve quickly in the i-mop tank without needing to shake it. The liquids are highly concentrated, but they were formulated for low viscosity and low form to facilitate quick dilution in the tank. My hope is that our i-partners and i-users enjoy using these new detergents, and I know that they will lead to happier and healthier people and buildings.